I hate adulting. It sucks. I'm leaving for vacation in like 48 hours. I'm done. Never go shopping when you're hungry. Don't. I can't believe this is actually happening.
La la la.
Should I be freaking out this much? I'm going just a little bit crazy. I'm having a terrible time. I'm literally so freaking stressed right now. I can't even explain it. Everything that possibly could have been messed up has gotten messed up. Anyway, hey guys, I am leaving for vacation in like 48 hours and everything's basically a disaster right now. I'm not even exaggerating. We planned this super spontaneously, which sounds all exciting and adventurous. I always thought it was, but honestly it's just super stressful because you have so many things you need to do before. Everything's a mess. I will get into it, don't you worry, but I can't leave it that way because this is my first vacation in 2 years and I really want it to be good. So whatever is in my control, I'm still gonna like try and make it happen. And I'm hoping like while I pamper myself physically, it also helps me mentally. Right now I need to go get my COVID test and then I need to go to the bank and then I need to go buy a few things. There's like a lot of stuff that's happening and I'm going just a little bit crazy. Oh my god, can I just say it's only 12 PM and I don't remember the last time I was this exhausted. Oh my god. Give me a minute. My phone's dead. You guys, I hate adulting. It sucks. I just spent the entire morning at the bank trying to like figure out stuff and it was very confusing. Usually my parents do this for me and like this time I'm doing it all by myself and I'm like, oh. But it's fine. It's fine. It's all gonna be worth it when I'm there. I also got my COVID test, so that's out of the way. 2 big things that I needed to get done. I changed into my bathrobe because that's literally how gross I feel right now. Like I just want you all to know, with like lockdown and everything, I don't know how to like look hot anymore or like look presentable anymore, or like I just haven't done this in so long. I am completely lost, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna make it happen. I just really want to feel like my best self when I'm there because I know I'm just gonna have so much fun and it's just gonna be a good time. And like, yeah, I just need to stop stressing, honestly. But anyway, today is a little bit jam-packed, so is tomorrow. But first, I'm gonna eat something because I'm literally dying. I'm gonna take a little bit of a shower. It's gonna hit when I'm all sweaty. Like I know I'm gonna be all sweaty after the workout too, but like I'll shower twice, that's fine. Okay, so I took some time to calm down and kind of figure the day out. And okay, so here's the game plan. This is my outfit currently. I'm on my way to my kickboxing class. You guys, it's been so fun. Can't tell you how good it feels. Like I honestly, it's not even about like being toned and all, which I do want to be because I'm gonna be in swimsuits and all, but I just feel so good. Plus, it's been really nice to do it with my friends because we kind of like motivate each other. We've been having a blast over there. It's been so much fun. I'm gonna try and vlog a little bit today, but that's the plan for now. After kickboxing, I'm gonna go get my nails done and then I'm gonna meet up with Natasha and get some like last minute things. Also, hopefully score some swimsuits because I'm so pumped. Update, I still look like a mess. Anyway, I'm waiting for Natasha. We're gonna go shop a little bit, just like food and everything, and also swimsuits, hopefully, if I can. I'm gonna tell you the whole story later, but that was a whole disaster that happened. I got my nails done! Look at how pretty! Oh my god, okay, I'm just gonna come in the light. Okay, focus. I'll show you once I'm home in proper lighting. I promise I won't forget this time. They're very like summery, Hawaiian, tropical, right from Maldives. I'm super excited. There are a bunch of like bright colors. I think they should more or less go with all my outfits. So yeah, I'm happy. This is going well. I'm gonna go get my hair done tomorrow. I also haven't eaten all day, so I can't wait to go home, hog on some food, and then I need to start packing because like, oh my god, I'm literally leaving like in less than, I'm leaving like 30 hours, not 30 hours, a little bit more than 30 hours. Freaking out just a little bit. Sure, I will take this. Yeah. We went a little bit crazy shopping. We currently have Natasha's, we have mine, and we have an eliminate basket. This is not going well. We don't know how to shop. We're too hungry right now. Pro tip, never go shopping when you're hungry. Don't, honestly don't. I have never been this tired. I'm sleeping on all your food. I don't even have the energy to get it.
La la la.
Hello. It's the next day. What's good, you guys? I feel like we haven't talked properly this entire vlog. So, what's up? I just woke up a little bit ago and I'm chilling on my bed. I was trying to decide. I'm getting my hair done today, which is gonna be the big transformation. I'm gonna get my hair and eyebrows done, and I feel like those are the two things that make like the most impact, you know what I mean? So I'm excited, but I still am so confused about what I want to do. I used to plan out my hair changes like 2 months in advance, and now I just do them so spontaneously. This time I'm a little confused because I'm gonna be like on an island and it's gonna be all beachy and nice. I kind of really want like reddish like mermaid hair, like, you know, like ginger, somewhere between ginger and red, like very Ariel-esque, like the Little Mermaid. And I was looking at it, it would actually go with a lot of my outfits, but I don't know, somewhere in the middle of this and this, but I just don't know how to look on me. Like I always, anytime I even get like highlights or like anything, I usually go for ashier tones because I feel like it goes with my skin like better. So straight up going for like orangish hair, I don't know how that's gonna be, but we'll see. I also finally got out my suitcase and I'm gonna start packing. I'm dreading it for some reason. I used to love packing when I was a kid because it got me all excited. I literally used to start packing like a month earlier before my trips. But now I've been so stressed because of my outfits. Oh my god, did I even tell you guys what happened? I think I've mentioned it, but I haven't mentioned it. So, okay, let's elaborate. I had to open my head because I was tired of looking at myself like that. Basically, I mentioned we planned this trip like super spontaneously, and I didn't really have anything to wear. Like I have a few outfits, like a few dresses and all that I've been collecting, but in terms of like swimsuits, I literally have nothing. And that's like so dumb of me, first of all, because I've been dreaming of a beach vacation this entire year, and I knew at some point I was gonna go, so I should have just bought something, but I totally didn't. And so I needed something like ASAP. So like maybe 10 days ago, I came across this website. I'm not gonna mention their name because I don't want to like drag them down or anything, but they had really cute swimsuits, and so I was like, okay, let's buy them. And I was like, I'll pay a little bit extra for express delivery, it's okay, like I'm going to the Maldives, that doesn't happen every day. So I did it, and guess what, it was supposed to come in like 3 to 5 days, and I was like tracking it, and somewhere around the 4th and 5th day they said it's delivered, except it was delivered to some address in Georgia. I don't know how that happens. I don't know how they confused Mumbai like in India with Georgia. It's not even like they have like the same initials or anything. It's just, it was insane. Also, look at my nails. Oh my god, I think I showed it to you, but look at it again. They're literally so pretty, you guys. Island nails to the core. It's getting me really excited. Also, anyway, so back to the point, I ended up, I think I showed you all a little bit, but I actually ended up, after getting my nails done, at a local market. I'm not saying the area, just for safety reasons. And I didn't think I was gonna find anything, but I somehow found some cute swimsuits. Like, they're actually like like wearable, like I can work with them. And I spent all night last night like trying a bunch of outfits and like seeing what I could do with it with the swimsuits, and I think I came up with some pretty cool stuff. Like I'm not mad at it. I can work with it. I was so sad before this, like I was literally like depressed yesterday. I was like crying the day before because I wanted those swimsuits that bad, but you know what, it's fine. It wasn't meant to be. It's okay. Yeah, I guess I need to honestly like check out local markets more, because sometimes I really find gems, like I'm sure. Anyway, so now I'm just gonna figure out more outfits and pack, and I'm gonna bring you along. So see, so far the only thing that I have is food and a bunch of outfits that I tried. These were the swimsuits I ended up getting, blue and purple. I like them. I don't really know where to start packing, because like I don't know how to plan my outfits for this trip, because we don't really have the days planned. Like we know the stuff we want to do and it's all on the same island, so I guess we're just kind of gonna figure out whatever we're in the mood for. But so how do I plan my outfits then? Like I got a little charm for my vlog camera. It's so cute. I won it at the game. So this is my last outfit I was trying on. It's coincidentally the simplest. I look like a little like shepherd right now. Is that a thing? This is super cool. I'm trying to make it work. I wanted like a touch of pink. Oh, maybe I can just wear it as a scarf. We'll figure it out, guys. I thought I had no outfits, but I just tried on like 20 outfits and now I have way too many. So I'm starting to get really excited though. I can't believe this is actually happening. I think I'm gonna have a little bit of a heart attack when I go there, because I really, like I've been so in disbelief. It just didn't feel real for so long, and so I really, like I haven't been able to imagine myself there, you know what I mean? I don't know. I feel like it still isn't gonna feel real when I'm there. We're still working on this outfit, so don't judge. This by itself is pretty cool, but it's very simple, so I wanted like a touch, and I found this super cute scarf. So I don't know, maybe we'll wear it as a dupatta. Why not? I think I've mostly figured it out. I've like laid down all my outfits. Now I just have to put them in the bag. So okay, it's coming together. I think I have most of the stuff in. I have most of the clothes in. I'm gonna pack some more of the food. I wasn't kidding when I said we got way too much. I feel like I'm definitely forgetting something, but like we don't have that much stuff that we need, right? Whew. I just had the most amazing shower ever. Like I feel so good and fresh and like shaved and nice. My skin's all soft. I feel like a baby, and I'm about to moisturize the heck out of it. I only shampooed my hair, I didn't condition it, because as far as I know, that's what you're supposed to do before you color your hair, which is what I'm about to go do. I'm really excited, except I still haven't decided what I want to get. I'm just gonna go with my intuition. I'm just gonna go there and like whatever comes to me, I'm just gonna go with that. That's all I have to do. I wish I could do something to help my skin, but I don't think there is anything, and I really don't want to go back on medication because it kind of effed me up last year. I'm really gonna try if my skin can like settle down without Accutane this time, because I don't even know what's breaking it out like. And so yeah, I'm just quickly gonna have lunch and then go get my hair done. Let's not delay this anymore. I'm about to leave to get my hair done. My battery is flashing, so I don't think I'll be able to take my camera, but I'll come back and show you a full reveal. Super excited for that. Also the eyebrows, yes, desperately needed. Super cash fit, not much. And yeah, I'll see you in 3, 2, 1. I can't tell if I hate it or I love it. Like, oh my god, I kind of hate it, I kind of love it. How do I even? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, this is too much of a difference. Should I be freaking out this much? I might just be delusional right now because I haven't had any sleep the past week and I've been going a little bit crazy, but I think it can work. I did want a little bit of like a Y2K skunk style mixed with like natural highlights, like something in the middle of like the two extremes. I don't know, it doesn't look like terrible, but I don't know. I just feel like these front two pieces are a little too like whoa, and I kind of sort of wanted that, but I don't know if I'm ready for it. So I was thinking of maybe like chopping this a little bit shorter so it will like lessen the impact. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm just gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it. It's just I wasn't ready for this. Like I saw the pictures I was asking for, but like I don't know, this is like blonde. Also I was thinking of going blonde at some point, and now I kind of know what I look like this much. That's it, just a little bit, and then it'll just like grow out. Okay. God, I so didn't think I would be doing this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, yeah. Okay, I feel like this is better. It's like the effect is still there, but it's not like that much in the face, even though it kind of is. But like, I don't know, I think I can work with it. I don't know, what do you guys think? I feel like I need to like put like makeup on and wear it with outfits to really know. But I'm worried like if it's gonna look weird with like wet hair, because I'm literally gonna be in the ocean all the time this like entire month. Hi, it's the next morning. I am about to leave to go to the airport. These are my bags all here. Still very blonde in the front. I don't know if it's the fact that I'm just not used to it. It's just like too much of a difference too fast, or if it's like actually bad. I'm actually considering buying hair dye and dyeing my hair over there. I don't know. Anyway, this was kind of a fail of a glow up. I don't even have makeup on right now. I don't think I look any better, worse if anything. But oh my god, no, I can't even look at myself. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna start my Maldives vlog now, like at the airport. So I'm gonna end this here. Sorry, I keep playing with it. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for sticking through. Please don't touch me for this hair. I have no clue what's going on. I will figure it out, I promise, somehow. Yeah, so be sure to subscribe, like, comment and everything, and I'm gonna see you really soon.